loi le pai te ho suna chun session algebra session masa pen in a ball tawin tu hin aban na zo moitin formula phabek in a sei tawin positive case in zong question phabek in a ball tawin question group in a ball win tu hin negative case in question aban ball hitin if x minus 1 by x equal to 10, find the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared. Azo yung jung isay tawin. Formula na ba hatlo ta hile na bol thi dan si piham hile. Iti squaring the equation. Squaring ball chun squaring both sides. A minus b whole square to x square plus b square minus twice ab. A into b, I know x into 1 by x to 1 itankin equal to 10 square to 100. Ahile x square plus 1 by x square should be ham ipitam 100 plus 2. That means 102. Ahinla, if you by heart the formula, you can do it without using your pen and paper. Na calculate to in theta na. A formula si piham negative kiti ay line negative for my head, that means negative case ahin na. Negative case asun x square plus 1 by x square. Even value hi phale plus ome omzi eti so hetaw. Ahi the formula si pitam n square plus 2 na. N value ipitam n square minus 2, n value become 10 na. That means 10 square plus 2, 100 plus 2 to 102 na. Tibang sila na. Ay le abanahin. CET solving kita minus negative case hitan x cube a power pot ahi phale minus na ale formula si pita n cube plus 3n na. N value हम 8 cube plus 8 into 3. 8 cube is that हम 8 cube to 512 na. 512 38 is 24 plus 24 boletun 536 na. Question number 8. Negative case ahi jong ahi kitna na. A formula ipi हम n square plus 2 4 square plus 2 na. Ham hilo ham ai poi na ipida ham itile a rule dung jo atun chi hiding ahin hinla exceptional case iti pe na chi tan hi atun plus login minus of hiding ahin. N value ipiam 4 square is yada tam 16 plus 2 is yada 16 4 square 16 plus 2 is 18 square minus 2 na. 18 square is at ham 512. 512 minus 2 to 510 na. 18 square nita san lo le 8 is 64, even 8 plus 6 14 18. So 324. 8 square to 324. 18 square. 8 cube. Eighteen square to 324 minus 2 to 322. Abanin x minus 1 by x equal to 3, x to power 5. Negative case mamadin power 5 or the division negative kung ano. Ang formula si kita n power 5 so 18 na breakdown to ham 3 plus 2 na. I will let 2 plus 3. That means square pa to cube pa formula multiply na board na. Square pa formula 2 n square plus 2. Cube pa formula si bidam n cube plus 3 n cube pa formula na. n value if हम 3 na gn. That means 3 square plus 2, 3 cube plus 3 into 3. Here term 3 square to 9 plus 2 11 into 3 cube to 27 plus 9. 27 plus 9 is that हम 36. 36 into 11 to multiply it na. So can I multiply in there? 36 into 1 to 36. 36 into 1 to 36. 396 na. Formula IPM sidinganin formula 2 power 6 to 80 is it ham na. That means 3 into 2 to 6 itu ta. That means cube pa formula alam sa ta. Cube pa formula 2 n cube plus 3n cube pa formula na. Ay square pa formula 2 n square plus 2 na. Sorry. Ilahin. Yan ang kasi hila. Tagay mo rekan si piham tila minus n kiwan na. Minus n siya ham 3. Minus 3. 393. N cube plus 3n square plus 2. Agile n value siya ng 5. 5 cube plus 3 into 5 plus 2. 5 cube to 125. 125 plus 3 5 15. 125 plus 15 to 140 na 140 plus 22 142 na viewers walking ga le sa long chu hile ina he thim nu natin ku apat session hi nyaw khat chu sound quality home clear zero mai the tan isi ina mitile weather jang an sat ko itan hin fan yang hi wala ha de hita ko fan ha ping mai te sat he ani le fan hi ha pe hi le sound quality le chi ju ji ko e jong le kan the kam comment na pang itin on the in head him yang kan say masa namin abanin formula ka ana derive within two chan gain equation ni bor ho chi kami tile x plus 1 by x equal to 5 or x minus 1 by x equal to 10 silang kai number that means n value hi rational number so na lang kai hin to hin irrational number hitale na root over n hitale di hitai is a condition chun squaring bol le chun lang squaring bol le chun x square plus 1 by x square plus twice ab x into 1 by x to 1 ta na equal to root over n to square bol le chun n is 1 ta na root over n whole square bol le chun square ito root over cancel ta na that means n ito that means x square plus 1 by x square equal to n minus 2 function. Kalang minus 2 ko yung gatin, kalang minus 2 ko yung bilang gatin. Oh, kasi nam lo piso na manually ko ito. Kalang minus 2 ko yung be, kalang minus 2 ko yung be sin nam lo na. Plus 3 nam ko yung be the, plus 3 nam ko yung be. Ito evening nga ko yung be ham. Minus 2 hi kat labot side niya ko yung be ham di ato lang clear tayo. Ay la village x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 x ito si formula ito a square plus b square minus twice ab a into b to x a to x ya b to 1 by x tas na that means x minus 1 by x whole square dinay tayo na kalang tayo defense na si breakdown ball dun si na that means n minus 4 ale x minus 1 by x wi piritam square root ni kalangan tha do ba so na square hi kalangan tha do le root form ma convert na n minus 4 equation na hin n value hi under root au ma hi le x minus langai positive ya negative ana kya lai le root over n minus 4 di tayo ay le hichima bang achun positive lai lao cho na tu hi lai negative la liao hen x plus 1 by x value chu yaduta n plus 4 so relation positive value hi aile negative value x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x lai x minus 1 by x positive value ki pa negative value na holding aile root over n na hin minus 4 ga habe so minus 4 ki sota na actually lai derive ibor bang bang hin lang pa yang in na derive hi chi result ang ko di this derivation chu khat ibor la hele khat ibor value chu time taking time taking energy chi it is not important for your exam point of view. Exam point of view ay the chikram dile hesiteni hi think of eteni na la yung in common sense ay tayo negative value akipitan ay positive value na holding nga hele positive value na holding ta jun root over n plus 4 dita tanga hi negative value holding jun minus 4 iji chu to ahin equation hin apply both in both ta ahile 2 hin x plus 1 by x equal to root over 29 x cube minus 1 by x cube equal to equal to root over 29 root over 4 min ulta na ahile value chun x cube minus 1 by x cube negative hin na negative signifies this is a case of negative for negative case it depend formula like so ahina lahi value chun positive case na i hold by negative case here given information in positive case ahi is chun x minus 1 by x value equal to masakta ta aje so equal to pa negative case ki diso aje chun negative case chun x minus 1 by x equal to equal to ba hele life formula in a put pausi man sa ta na given information pa hi ki form ma yung ta na result ahile x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x cube ham le root over n minus 4 root over n cube ham 29 minus 4 na negative part ito le minus 4 ito isan ham root over 25 ta na equal to root over 25 to 5 bija ham tila 5 square to 25 na x minus 1 by x value to 5 that means n value to 5 it and here x cube minus 1 by x cube a formula become for negative case keep negative there n cube plus 3n na n value to yan ham 5 cube plus 3 into 5 125 plus 3 5 15 that means 140 equal to positive case ki pe equal to negative vela chun negative case ham positive case ham negative case achu positive case sa bona positive is la na negative case in vela chun x square minus 1 by x square that means even value in the positive in it also ahin la hilai in negative it that means this is neither positive case nor negative case. Akuti ahile a square minus b square formula to a plus b a minus b this formula ina makita this formula naman dinga le x plus 1 by x value na heta x minus 1 by x value si piham hello na aku tiada x minus 1 by x value chu hilai hin formula tung chu hin root over n plus 4 na n minus 4 root over 13 minus 4 13 minus 4 से जान हम 9 root over 9 root over 9 से जान हम 3 ना x minus 1 by x 3 hita that means 3 root over 13 na अगला क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 बोल के भेजें if x plus 1 by x root over 40 ताले x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4 equal to ना अही ले अंजुआ इधर बोल चु case ni involved with na for positive case for negative case positive case actually if x plus 1 by x equal to n as n actually x square plus 1 by x square to n square minus 2 x cube plus 1 by x cube to n cube minus 3 n x4 plus 1 by x power 4 so the addition n square minus 2 whole square minus 2 negative na negative case din chun x minus 1 by x equal to n x square plus 1 by x square equal to n square plus 2 x cube plus 1 by x minus na a power or ani part le minus is na equal to n cube plus 3n cube banin x4 plus 1 by x power 4 relation like any left hand side any equals na x na chu lang power case but positive but negative a power even nahi phale ni plus is na formula chi kita n square plus 2 whole square minus 2 so any formula is says I la value chun x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4 kimulo sulai lai plus ya lai plus na lai negative kita that means you cannot use these two formulas for positive case for negative case it is any formula pinaman thelo ri ti ta ibinaman dhamiti le ichi a square minus b square concept mana che kita minus 1 by x power 4 x power 4 to pai square na x square to the power x square whole square ki stage ba na Repeating apa yang kesukhamiti le, I am trying to use the concept of a square minus b square. Isi ini yang tidak lang formula teni direct formula teni ke bang kita terus na. Ahi sejun a formula tunggu expand holding ale x square minus a square minus b square. A square minus b square to formula become a plus b whole a minus b whole na line a become सीधा ना a plus b become 1 by x square सीधा a minus b a minus पहले सुनो x square minus 1 by x square. Ichi hi laya equation hi de chun ajoba formula I derive pe ni chu mang chele again x minus 1 by x value equal to na if we tham x minus 1 by x value to root over n minus 4 is na g pitam 40 minus 4 40 minus 4 is around 36 root over 36 to 6 to the na that means x minus 1 by x to 6 ita negative case na negative case hi le hi negative case formula na pa na x minus 1 by x is equal to n value is 6 ita and x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square is n square plus 2 that means n square to n to 6 here n square plus 2 up cepa ai le chi langa formula na pan tin la dem positive case value chun abona hai positive su case na positive su ke hi ding la line negative hi le la yong positive hi thau that means you cannot use either positive case or negative case. Negative case line negative case na ahile negative case manan ti le line plus ki line la minus ki that means a square minus b square formula line equal to na bol ki ti si a is in lang si b is out a square minus b square x plus 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x sorry 6 square plus 2 6 is 36 plus 2 38 na x plus 1 by x to 40 x minus 1 by x हो जाता x minus 1 by x to 6 ना that means 10 multiply 6 into 38 6 into 30 to 180 6 8 is 48 that means 100 228 root 40 to 20 into 20 na 5 4 is 20 5 4 is 20 and there 2 into 24 again 5 4 is 20 5 2 2 करगा ना 5 4 is 20 अहिले 2 ले 2 जो खनाला ले चुन 2 5 2 is 10 root over 10 ना 2 root over 10 that means into 2 root over 10 2 is 16 2 2 are 4 5 456 root 10 Abanin if x plus 1 by x equals to root 13 x power 5 minus 1 by x power 5 equals to 11 that means langkah hi value chun negative case ta ahin la position lang value chun positive case ai je chun positive case hi negative case an kial aur na iti khial ding ha x minus 1 by x value is term root over minus n minus 4 13 minus 4 ya tham 13 minus 4 chu 9 na n value chu 3 ai la ni ta ai hi le formula ip ham negative case r power 5 chu x power 5 chu iti ki pang ham 2 plus 3 iti ki pang chu na that means n square plus 2 n cube plus 3n minus n square plus 2 n value 3 na 3 square plus 2 3 cube plus 3 into 3 minus 3 3 square plus 2 to 9 10 11 into 3 cube to 27 27 plus 9 to 36 na minus 3 36 into 11 to 396 minus 3 393 na aban hin x minus 1 by x equal to root 5 x cube plus 1 by x cube x minus 1 by x means this is a negative case na negative case ta negative case la kitong ding ni x cube plus 1 by x cube ahin la cube ahin minus do lang ai plus ta ahi ali sim to ang ai ki kit ni ta lang ila sim to thelo lang sim to na akitong de balik sim to thelo mo a do u a do u yin na sim to thelo lang a information ki pa he sim to thelo si positive case a ki pa na x cube plus 1 by x cube positive case है ले ला negative case है positive आए क्या बोलते हो ये positive आने क्या लेंगे हम हाँ x plus 1 by x ये चीज़ होता है ना उनको तो ये ना ले चाहिए उनकी सोचें स्पेन चीज़ की दोंगी था तो चीज़ था x plus 1 by x फिर दाम plus is adjunct plus 4 oh n value to 5 plus 4 5 plus 4 to 9 root 9 to 3 n value to 3 does oh and here there x cube plus 1 by x cube a formula n value to 3 ही है formula जो इतना n cube minus 3n n value to 3 3 cube minus 3 into 3 3 cube to 27 minus 9 16 ना ऐसा equation पेटाम था सब क्या बोल के नहीं if x plus 1 by x square to 5 x power 4 plus 1 by x square ठीक है अना बोल के नहीं इसे ही x power 4 to x into x square x cube ना ताई सु थे ला ना plus 1 by x square to x into 1 by x cube की थे चला ना इसी नेम के लिए x का तो ला x का कैंसल है तो x square 1 by x square बोल देता 1 by x square मामला बोल ना ला यहाँ ही अनुइलांग थे नहीं के बाल ले अपावर थे नहीं की वॉम नहीं चला ना इसु EP की से नाम EP के लिए a to power 1 है a to power square ही ले a to power 1 plus 2 चला ना a to the power cube is high school laya ki sim chi ta sa na ale chi piting ata e break up ka bol ham ki ale x le x common kala to lai x common kala x khat common kala to anui lang yung hi da bang asung ka bol x khat common kala to le x khat cancel thi na tinga chun anui lang ay x khat common kala anu tilang yung hin x square to x into x equals na minus 4 into x plus x khat common kala to ding na common khat kala to na common kala to di ati a hi le x into 1 by x e to the khat 1 to x into 1 by x to the khat is inam tele x le x cancel le chun 1 po to to na le chun x la x la x common na la to the di ne ta si hi nya khat di lai bo le na hi process hi zau sa lo vai no bo yin te chu ne he thi a he langa x khat common la do ta nge na 4 la khat common kala do le x cube so ta na le chun x square anui langa x square chu khat common kala do a he le anui lang pai khat ha ti le chun la yang hi x le x common la do ta nge le x cube ta na plus x khat common kala do le 1 by x cube ale anoi lang x khat common la do ta nge x anoi khat ta na minus x kala do le 4 ta plus x khat kala do le 1 by x ta na x le x cancel ta x cube plus 1 by x cube lang x cube plus 1 by x cube na is it chun it is step ni na chok kan dinga hile lang x khat common la do ta 4 will become 3 plus 1 by x square chu le chun achung lang power hi common la do ten le achung lang power ni em ahin la anui lang power hi ki hap be ni na la do a hi le anui lang power hi ni ki hap di thum na la do a le anui lang power hi thum ki hap di chu this is a shortcut amiat chi ta achung lang to anui lang ki ta achung lang chu suppose kichipang hin achung lang hi ni kala do tai ni common kala do x square common kala do le achung lang hi kim ni a kim ta na ai le chi hi achung lang ni kala do chi achung lang hi sau de chen nui lang hi sau de cha nui lang hi sai la nui lang hi ni a kha that means 7 is ta sẽ có bộ lại nếu phải là vui hơn nghe thêm điều phải chút aduwa chỉ sẽ chú ý nghe chung lang khăn là độ lệ chung lang khăn là kiếm đi anui lang hila denominator lang hila thì học bé thì lang này bé chun x common na kala le khăn kala độ lệ khăn lại na minus 4 plus bé chun 1 le chu 1 to the power 0 x to the power 0 là na chỉ anui lang out x power 0 chỉ PM 1 thì này rồi x power 0 thì le khăn kala độ le khăn khảo đi thì này rồi na then in cancel x minus 4 plus 1 by x minus 4 plus 1 by x this is step ni isok pan ni ta so lan aba na pa na si step isok pan ni ta then chun x plus 1 by x equal to 5 n value to 5 ha ale x cube plus 1 by x cube formula ipidi tam chi positive case la na positive case chun n cube minus 3n la na अहिले x minus x plus 1 by x कोई कम है minus 4 n value जा हम 5 ना 5 cube minus 3 into 5 x plus 1 by x value जा हम 5 ano ilang 1 na 5 cubes to 125 125 minus 15 to 110 110 answer so to na aban hin chip por kinekin interesting to in na अहिले ajowa ibol banguchun chi common la do ta common izan la dom khat x khat la do la chun 5 will become 4 na plus 1 by khat na la do la anui lang hi khat ki hap di tiu sala na that means x square di to chi di to anui lang jang ba khat la do la chun x cube 4 to 3 is order ta na plus anui lang ay x to the power 0 om tine ai wale anui lang 1 om tine so na 1 chi ipi de ke bang ham x power 0 to ke bang so x power 0 hi le anui lang pa khana ka le tine so x power 1 ti de pa vele chun formula ai pan thei je pan thei 4 2 3 1 formula ki pan thei so na formula ai pan ding as 2 hi le lang yang 2 hi ding 3 hi le lang yang 3 hi ding 4 hi le lang 4 hi ding 5 hi le lang 5 hi ti jo ati je in khat ila do lo liu 2 la do kita 2 na la do le 5 la ni na la do le za ta kim ta na ani le lang hi le chun ni na la do le anui lang hi ni khap ni cho na chi khat zo ni khap le 2 plus 1 to 3 de ta na ni to ta na aki to le lang yang ni la do le ti ni na la do le 4 la ni na la do le ni yung na na plus 0 anui lang 0 hiya khat langa ni na la do le lang hi khap ni ti ne jo ni khap ni ti ne jo that means 2 plus 0 to ta na ele te ni cancel de chun the formula na pan ta na हम positive case n to 4 positive case means keep margin positive case formula हम n cube minus 3n divided by square formula to n square minus 2 n cube minus 3n n value to 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square minus 2 4 cube to 64 minus 12 4 16 minus 2 to 14 2 7 14 2 3 4 2 6 12 26 by 7 aban en chi sort ki to tu ai so bang tu solve la hen achung lang hi x khat le common la to le a hi thelo dik he yeng ka adi cho khat 7 ya khat 3 jo na 7 la khat la do chen bu de ta jo ai le 3 plus 1 4 jo 6 4 jo ki bang te de lo na ale square la do le chun 7 minus 2 to 5 ai le plus 2 khalanga langa panahi ni na la to le chi 5 ki su ti ne jo ai le lang hi ni ki gom ti ne jo langai minus 2 cheating langai plus 2 cheating. That means 5 cheating lang yung 5 cheating na. Aku tile ni na lado ulit ako. Ano lang yung ni ito ulit dyan. Ni na lado ay le x to power 7 minus 2 to 5 na. Plus 1 by ni na lado le ni ano lang pi ni to na. X to the power 5. Ni na lado le ni matwa na. Plus 1 by ni na lado le ano lang ngayon lang yung 1 integration na. Alay bininga x square ko kami tile x square into x square so kaala chun x square to x square kaala chun 1 mama ang integration. Kaya sila nga x square ko siya. Any cut na chun x power 5 positive case ta sila na. Positive case here n value to 3. A formula ay piham power 5 hile positive case ajan power 5 so ipiham tile x power 5 so x power 2 into x power 3 so na that means x square minus 2 n cube minus 3n minus n so lang pa formula na ano ilang pahila? N square minus 2. N value si piham 3. That means 3 square minus 2. 3 cube minus 3 into 3 minus 3. 3 square minus 2. This is step the example in the also for your understanding. Because I am writing it here. 3 square minus 2 to jaram 7 na. 3 cubes 27 minus 9 16 na. Minus 3 7 into 10 70 plus 7 6 are 42 70 plus 42 to jaram 112 na. 112 minus 3 to jaram 109 na. Value hi 109 na. Avail ko dahil signal ko yun. 3 square minus 2 siya tam. 3 square to 9. 9 minus 2 to 7. 109 divided by 7. Sorry, sihila ni 16 gawin 18 jawab. Yes, 7 into 18, 7 into 10 is 70, 70 plus 7, 8 are 56, 70 plus 56, 126 na. 126 minus 3 siya na, 123. Correct answer siya. Abanin, this equation in the vacuum root over 5 sila na. Root over 5 हमले irrational number to rational number आने क्या दिखाने x plus 1 by x सुईपिता अजूबा yang cuma बोलता हुए root over n plus अजी ले n plus 4 ना n value to 5 ना root over 9 to Biam 3 na. That means n equal to 3. Ahile. Milahin. Common ni lado adu tangsa. cut 6 ya cut 4 formula ke apply thelo na cut 2 ya cut 1 formula ke apply thelo isa chung common la to utin lang common la to utin common la common se cancel de ta na common kila to pena common kila to ki cancel de ta isa la to du ngai ham kara cut la to la chun 6 will become 5 4 will become last one 5 cut la to ngai ta na ai le cut la to la chun x 6 will become 5 plus 1 by 4 will become 5 khala ngai minus 1 ini khala ngai plus 1 ini khala do le chun x minus ichi lai pain common khala do masingin lai pain do plus anui lang in x power 0 le khat khala do jo in x power 1 de ta na minus 2x minus 2x khat kila do ta na akila do pa la common pa cancel ta na x power 5 plus x power 5 this is a case of positive as is a case of negative yan lang line minus ne ta or power ajun minus ne na that means this is case of positive kas na n value is 3 power 5 है ले n square minus 2 n cube minus 3 n minus n divided by x plus 1 by x 3 yam 3 na 3 minus 1 anui lang 1 beta na anui lang 1 hi le n value is 3 square minus 2 3 cube minus 3n minus 3 is that the term 3 square minus 2 to 7 3 cube 27 minus 9 so 18 minus 3 7 into 10 70 plus 56 to 126 minus 3 to 120 abahin si itinam ki bo de ta na g equal to 4 si itin su thaya root over 16 ठीक है ना root over square root of 16 जो फॉर्मा मात्रा ना बिना root over 16 का बोला मिथिले I want to apply formula इले x minus 1 by x इपी हम root over n minus 4 का ना minus के लांग minus के n से हम 16 minus 4 से हम root over 12 से आंसर आई लो ले ऑप्शन आ root over 12 तो पी लो आज ले 12 से LCM लता 2 6 12 2 3 और 6 square root nala dise achun 2 le 2 hi square root 2 ta na ni ve chu common na khat la ti ne chi khat root 3 chu common lo na ati je an 3 ta te ni khat lo so answer option आगे पे तुम जो या कोई था अब आने क्वेश्चन ही इति हिंदी की बेतले इति सब्स्टिट्यूट था x plus 1 by x equal to 4 this is for positive case ना अहि ने positive case formula से मान बोल इति जेना चुंगलांग से positive formula इशू को दियो इति सो जो हम अनुइलंग वेले चुन power 4 या खलांग 0 सो खला तो ओले चुन x cube heading अनुइलंग ही x1 heading ना खत नला ले कान लो नी ला तो ओले चुन x square heading अनुइलंग x square नी ला तो ngai ta ना अहि ले अचुंगलांग ही x square नी ला तो ताई to the power 4 will become 2. 3. Ni na lado le cut bone ni ta na. Ni na lado le x power 0 ni ta na. X power 0 to 1 ni ta na. Plus relation ni na lado le ichi 3x so na 3x hi square common ka lado square common ka lado ano lang ang x square ko ina di na ano lang x square ko ile cut cancel le 3 by x di na ita 3 by x plus 2 le cho na x square lang ako ile ano lang ang x square ko iti na x square dele jo ni common kala to le ni na lai ti x square lang ako ile ano lang ang x square ko iti na square cancel ale dele jo square to square pa ni koi form lo to g to g koi form to koi form la chun 2 le 2 ko mana la thi na x square plus 1 by x square x to x ko mana koi form ko le chun 3 ko mana la thi na x plus 1 by x plus 4 bo की बात ना 4 bo चला हमला ना divided by x square plus 1 by x square मेरे सुन x plus 1 by x to 4 या x square plus 1 by x square to positive कैसे ही ले positive कैसा formula है क्या n square minus 2 ना n to 14 square minus 2 4 is only 4 square minus 2 ना plus 3 x plus 1 by x to 4 ना g 4 square minus 2 4 square minus 2 to 16 minus 2 that means 14 2 into 14 to 28 na 28 plus 3 4 is 12 plus 4 to 16 4 square minus 2 to 14 4 is 16 minus 2 to 14 28 plus 16 to याद था 8 plus 6 to 14 1 in hand 2 3 4 divided by 14 2 7 is 14 22 divided by 7 that means pi value na 22 divided by 7 adi aile tuni session adingen chanchun na bor 18 say equation aban ho formula tha concept tha ho aban le iji ki hin je chun tuni ijil cheng chu in practice na bor le lang algebra hi ti pha le percentage concept ai lo le arithmetic ho ta ki bang ko na formula by heart in matamin formula na by heart chana chun nanga dinga advantage ni e je chun ha sim ngai tin formula hai ji to men lang na by heart thesen a formula hai ki by heart le a derivation ho ngai lo formula ho le na by heart ni hin jong tam ta kan pe in by heart ta to chun na be an ha ko men lang class a i bor ho equations ho a in isi tai lo chun questions tang previous question ho ana be na class ana ko ya chun ha na pa chun topic dang na ko pe no jong le tu algebra chi in algebra topics me ana ko na ho video này vậy phát hiện là họ đã mà chụp mình nó kết sắp được tặng cái giờ chuẩn revision bộ com máy chiều cả ngày chỉ tay đồ topic đâm nó bộ tạo đồng lệ nó quên táo bộ mà yang topic đâm nó tạo nó nằm bộ những cái